Dansig ng Maporo, Governor ng Lanao del Norte, and proud recipient of our medalists from the recent NIMRA-A in the food basket of Mindanao, the province of Bukidnon. We're very proud of all our student athletes that have brought pride to the province of Lanao del Norte. I didn't realize that we had so many promising gymnasts from our province. I've always known our archery program by DepEd Lanao del Norte is really one of a kind. Palaging nag-gold kami sa NIMRA-A. Especially Arnis. I know we always are a challenger when it comes to excellence in the discipline of Arnis, especially from our student athletes from Balui. But there are some new sports that we also excelled in. For example, weightlifting. That was a nice surprise. Now we were able to place with weightlifting, swimming. We were able to place with swimming. We were also able to place with wushu, which is something new to me. But gymnastics really, it was a delight to see, especially yung mga bata, mga elementary level na students doing gymnastics. And salamat in bringing the name of Lanao del Norte there in the NIMRA-A. We truly have made our province proud. So again, salamat in supporting our student athletes, to our parents, to our teachers, teacher coaches, to the DepEd family, and you really have made us very proud, and you have made me very happy.